There will be no Christmas party at the Quezon City Hall. Mayor Joy Belmonte has banned all offices and departments from holding the customary celebration, while many of its citizens are experiencing the hardships due to COVID-19. Instead of holding parties, Belmonte encouraged the donation of Christmas party funds. Donations should be made before December 23. They must also coordinate with the city's Social Services and Development Department to identify the legitimate representative of their chosen sector.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.